how to add multiple accounts in Google Classroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to add multiple Google accounts in your classroom, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your Google Classroom, go to your profile icon in the top right. Now there you can see add another account, just tap on it and then hit continue. Now you can just put in your email or phone number and then sign in with your Google account password, and then your Google Classroom will be enrolled with this Google account as well. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.